Hello, in this video we're going to talk about the Rutherford experiments. Rutherford carried out more investigations and discovered that alpha radiation is made up of positively charged particles. How is that? His research students included Hans Geiger, who invented what was later called the Geiger counter, and we have encountered it in previous tutorials, and this Geiger counter detects and counts the emitted radiations. They carried out investigations in which a narrow beam of alpha particles was directed at a thin metal foil of gold. Rutherford was astonished that some of the alpha particles rebounded from the foil. Some of these alpha particles are deflected by small angles and the others travel back from the foil. They are rebounded. So why is that? This experiment led him to the discovery that this happens because every atom has at its center a positively charged nucleus containing most of the mass of the atom. He went on to propose that the nucleus contains two types of particles, protons and neutrons. That's all. Thanks for watching.